Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Jimmy Blais, and I'm an actor, and I'm happy to be collaborating with Taking It Global and their program Create to Learn in partnership with Imaginative to bring you this 4-part tutorial series on the essentials of what you will need as an emerging actor. What I like to call it is an actor's kit. So what we'll be covering in this 4-part tutorial are how to prepare for an audition, how to create a self-tape at home for an audition, how to create a video demo reel, and how to create an audio demo reel. These 4 things are kind of the essentials that you'll need in order to either get an agent or promote yourself in order to get an audition for a part to producers or directors. So, first things first, you got an audition. Congratulations, that's amazing. So, what now? Well, let's take a look. Preparation for your audition is read everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. That includes the body of the email that you get with your audition request. A lot of the times, within that body of the email, you're going to get some important information that's going to help you along the way. Things like, audition date, audition time, location, so on and so forth. It could also include the fact that the production might have changed a couple of pieces of information on the story, on the character, so keep your eye out for any of that. So read the body of the email closely. At some point, either in the first email or in emails to come, you're going to get a couple of attachments. One of the attachments is going to be the sides. The sides are essentially the script that you're going to be using to audition for this character. We'll get into more detail with the sides a little bit later. The other thing that you're going to get is something called a breakdown. So it's going to be a breakdown of your character, and that gives you information on your character, like, age, race, job, relationship details, as well as character traits, like, something that battles depression or is the class clown. All of that is perfect information for you to build a better audition. Other important information on the breakdown is the name of the project and the name of the director. So after you've read everything thoroughly, the second thing you need to do is be a detective. And when I say be a detective, I mean use the info provided to connect the dots on what the casting director or producer are looking for. Do the research. Check out the director's previous work, watch previous episodes or parts if it's an ongoing television or film series, and try to get a feel for the project. This kind of information can give you a good idea on what kind of mood or feeling the producers are going for. You'll be able to sense if it's a comedy or if it's a drama. The third thing is read the script as many times as you can. Not just to learn your lines, which you should obviously do, but to learn your cues and learn the stage directions, to have a better grasp on the action of the scene. Even read the dialogue that isn't in the scene that you are auditioning for. With theater auditions, you can usually find the play somewhere. It always is a very good idea to read the entire play before going into an audition. It just gives you a better sense of the story and will help you sharpen your portrayal of the character. Now, with TV and film, you never really get a full script for the audition. So reading the text outside of the start and end lines of your particular scene is a good idea because it can help you gather some information that'll help you understand the story and character a bit better. Fourth, be prepared. Know your script as well as you can. And do it out loud and standing up. Trust me. Practicing in your head is way different than practicing out loud. So as soon as you can, get up and start practicing on your feet. And it's always best to try to get a friend to help you do that. They can be your reader. A reader is the person that reads the lines of all the other characters in the scene. If you can, dress the part. Take a look at the character breakdown, look at the information that's provided, and try to figure out how this character would dress. If you can't do that, dress as neutrally as possible. Try not to wear any bright colors or any big logos that's going to pull attention away from you and your performance. And it might seem silly, but it's actually really important. Try not to wear noisy shoes. That too will draw attention away from your performance, and people will just be concentrated on how much noise your shoes are making. And lastly, have fun. And really, having fun comes easily when you're well prepared. You never know, when you get in there, the director might ask you to do something a little bit different. And in order for you to be able to do that, you need to know your script, and you need to be loose. So, wound knees, everyone. Thanks for watching.